Are you dreaming of launching a flexible business with incredible high earning potential? Starting a mobile car detailing business could be your ideal venture, allowing you to earn between $200 to $900 daily by detailing just 2 to 4 cars. Picture yourself earning between $200 to $900 each day simply by detailing 2 to 4 cars, with top detailers like those on Detailer's Roadmap reporting impressive averages of $400 a day and even scaling up to $1,000 or more with premium offerings. This highly accessible side hustle has the potential to scale impressively to $50,000 to $100,000 annually, particularly when you incorporate lucrative premium services like ceramic coatings and full details. Your initial investment can be remarkably low, starting from just $500 for a basic kit that includes essentials, or up to $1,500 for a fully professional setup with advanced tools like an orbital polisher. Essential equipment includes a portable pressure washer such as the Sun Joe SPX 3000 priced at around $160, a wet/dry shop vacuum like the VacMaster Beast 5-gallon for about $80, and 2 5-gallon buckets equipped with grit guards costing roughly $30. Don't forget to stock up on a 50-pack of microfiber towels for $40, pH-neutral car soap like Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink at $15 per gallon, and a clay bar kit for $20 to ensure thorough decontamination. For those pursuing advanced detailing services, consider investing in an orbital polisher like the Rupees Bigfoot LHR 15 for $400, a reliable generator such as the Honda AU2200i at $1,000, a 50-gallon water tank for $200, and necessary extension cords and ladders totaling about $50. Beyond the core equipment, you'll need key detailing products such as Carnauba wax or sealant like Miguiar's Ultimate Wax for $20, Tire Shine from Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions at $10, interior cleaners including 303 Aerospace Protectant for $15, and glass cleaner like Invisible Glass for $8. You can offer basic exterior washes priced from $50 to $100, which take about 1 hour to complete, or go for premium full details ranging from $200 to $400 that require 3 to 4 hours of intensive work. These full detail packages encompass comprehensive clay bar treatment for paint decontamination, professional polishing for shine, application of wax or sealant, along with thorough interior vacuuming and steam cleaning to restore like new condition. One of the most powerful ways to significantly boost your pricing is by offering professional ceramic coating services, which can add an impressive $500 to $1,000 per car to your revenue. This premium ceramic coating service, using products like Technic Crystal Serum Light and lasting anywhere from 2 to 5 years, has the potential to increase your overall prices by 50 to 100%, making it a game changer for profitability. Time estimates can vary based on service level. A basic detail typically takes 1 to 2 hours, a full detail requires 2 to 4 hours, and applying ceramic coating demands 4 to 6 hours per vehicle for optimal results. Finding your very first clients is simpler than you might think. Print and distribute 500 neighborhood flyers for just $50 through Vistaprint by going door to door. Join active local Facebook groups like City Car Enthusiast with over 10,000 members, and leverage the free Nextdoor app, which reaches 80% of your neighbors. Additionally, post your services on Craigslist gigs for quick local leads, and set up a free Google My Business profile to enhance visibility and attract steady local customers searching for detailing services. Building a loyal customer base is absolutely crucial for long-term success. Offer generous 10 to 20% loyalty discounts via stamped cards or digital programs, and start creating an email list using free tools like MailChimp to nurture repeat business. Effectively showcase your exceptional work by building before and after photo portfolios on Instagram, which can help you grow your following to 1,000 or more within just 3 months and turn viewers into paying clients. Be mindful of seasonal changes in demand. Spring and summer represent peak revenue periods accounting for about 60% of your income with high exterior detailing needs, while winter slowdowns are perfect for shifting focus to specialized interior detailing services. Always prepare for unpredictable rain by investing in sturdy pop-up tents costing around $100, ensuring you can maintain operations and detail cars professionally in various weather conditions without interruption. On the legal side, It's wise to consider forming an LLC for protection, which costs $100 to $500 through services like LegalZoom based on 2023 averages, and secure general liability insurance typically ranging from $500 to $2,000 annually from providers like Next Insurance. An auto insurance rider is highly recommended, adding about $200 per year. And while most U.S. states do not require a special license for mobile detailing, always double-check your local regulations, such as California's business license fees of $50 to $100. For individuals holding down a traditional 9 to 5 job, adopting a weekend warrior schedule from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday can be incredibly profitable, allowing you to detail 4 to 6 cars and net $800 to $1,800 in weekend earnings. To truly expand your business, start targeting lucrative fleet contracts with Uber lots or car dealerships, where you can offer discounted rates like $75 per car for volume deals on 10 or more vehicles to secure steady high-volume work. Once you've built momentum after about 6 months of operation, consider hiring reliable helpers at around $15 per hour to assist with tasks, enabling you to scale operations further and accommodate even more clients efficiently. Real-world success stories like Zach Shefsky's Detail Experts, which skyrocketed to $5 million in annual revenue since starting in 2009 through innovative eco-friendly methods, clearly demonstrate the extraordinary potential of this mobile car detailing business model. With remarkably low startup costs between $500 and $1,500 combined with sky-high earning potential up to $100,000 annually, a mobile car detailing business provides a straightforward and proven path to successful entrepreneurship for anyone ready to get started.